Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Melissa from Steals, Deals and Meals. Today I have a meal prep video for you guys. I haven't done one of these in quite a long time. I'll link below some of the ones I've done in the past. So today I'm going to be working on just a few things to get me through the week. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is the sweet potatoes. I have 3 of them here, and I'm just going to peel them and I'm going to dice them up really small. And I actually have some that I made the other day as well that I'll be using for my salads. So all in all, it'll probably be about 4 sweet potatoes for the whole week to put in my salads. So I'm going to cut those up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay them on this parchment lined baking sheet, and then I'm going to roast them in the oven. Okay, so I cut up all the sweet potatoes. I didn't even realize they were the white sweet potatoes. These were from my farm share this week. So what I'm going to do, I didn't put any oil on them, no salt and pepper or anything. You can do that if you like, but I try to reduce the amount of salt and oil as much as possible if I can. And these are going to be for my salads, and I'll be putting salad dressing on them anyway. So what I'm going to do is I have my oven on 425, and I'm going to throw them in there. They're, like I said, they're cut up into little bite-sized pieces, so they should cook pretty fast. Everybody's ovens vary. Mine, the temperature runs a little bit low, so that's why I kind of have it a little high. So like I said, just if you do this, just, keep an eye on them. May take, 20 to 30 minutes, depending. So I'm going to get those in the oven and get them going. So while those potatoes are cooking, I'm going to wash my salad greens. Now the kale is already pre-washed, but if you don't feel, if you buy those salads like that and you want to wash them anyway, you can, but I feel pretty safe about it. But these are not pre-washed, so I'm going to take these out. I'm going to separate them, put them in the bowl, and I use a mixture of half and half of water and vinegar, and I just let them soak for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse them out. And I'll lay them out on like towels and let them dry. So now I'm going to work on my smoothie prep, and I'm going to prep them in these bowls here, and these are the Betty Crocker bowls I get from Dollar Tree. I will link them down below. They also sell them on Amazon, so if you don't have a Dollar Tree, or you can't find them in your Dollar Tree, I will link them down below for you on Amazon. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my kale, the dates, the hemp seeds, chia seeds, and like I said, lately I've been doing just a little tiny scoop of peanut butter. And I have this one. This was given to me in my Fit Snack box, I think last month, so I'm going to use that. And then I just wanted to show you guys over here. This is that Amazing Grass green mix, I guess you could call it. You get your dose of daily greens in it. I'm not going to add this now. This I'll probably add the day of when I make each smoothie, because I feel like it'll just stay fresher. But I just wanted to show you guys. So lately I've been using the chocolate or the chocolate peppermint. They are so delicious. They add a nice flavor, low sugar and low calorie, and it just gives you a lot of extra health benefits to your smoothies. So I'm going to get going on that and put those together. So there we go. I have 6 smoothies prepped for the week. I have one already ready to go in my Ninja cup that you just add the blade to it and you can puree it up. And then the other ones are just like I said, in these bowls, and then I can just dump them right into the cup in the morning and add my bananas and my Amazing Grass mix. And sometimes I even have some frozen coconut chunks, and I'll throw like one or two of those in there as well. And I use my almond milk, and a little almond milk and a little bit of water. I use like a mixture of both, just to save on some of the calories. So this is all set to go for the week. Okay, so now I am on to the bananas, and I know this is a lot of bananas. This will actually last us quite a while, because I don't think I use quite a whole banana in each of my smoothies. Usually I have a smoothie a day, and my son does as well. So usually that's about one banana or so a day. So like I said, this will last us a long time. So I'm going to get cutting on these. I'm just going to cut them into small pieces. And what I do is I like to lay them flat in the Ziploc bags. I'll show you when I'm finished, but I usually like to lay them flat. I found that that works the best and they will break apart easily. If you guys have ever like frozen bananas and just thrown it in the bag and sometimes it becomes like one big block of a mess, you know, and you can't get them apart. So I have tried several different things and this seems to work. So I'll show you that in a second. So I'm going to get started cutting on those. Okay, so here are the bananas. They are all sliced up and in the baggies. These are gallon-sized baggies, so fit perfectly in 2 of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stack them on top of each other. I'm going to lay them flat in the freezer so they freeze flat. And then that way, whenever you want to make a smoothie, they're all ready to go. The bananas, like I said, they will break apart very easily. And I have found that this is the best way to freeze bananas. Okay, so now I'm going to put my salads together for the week. I'm going to make 5 of them. I usually make them for the work week, you know, because sometimes the weekends, you know, I'm home and I can make myself something. So I'm going to do 5 of them, and I'm using these big bowls that I got from Dollar Tree. I did show them in, I think, a couple of my Dollar Tree hauls. I will link them down below for you as well from Amazon if they're on there. Just in case you don't, like I said before, if you don't have a Dollar Tree or you can't find them. These are really great. I'm not going to fill them totally full, but I love these big bowls because I can put the salad in there, and then when I'm ready to have the salad, I can put the salad dressing on it and then just close it up and give it a shake, and there's enough space in there just to kind of, you know, toss the salad around. So I have my salad greens here, and they've been drying in this bowl here with paper towels. I know, not the best thing, you know, it's a little bit of a waste of paper towels. I probably should invest in a salad spinner. And I most likely may not use all of these greens, so the rest I will wrap in paper towels and probably in a sealed baggie, airtight baggie, and save it for other things throughout the week. I'm also going to be adding the kale, like I was saying before. This is some sweet potatoes that I made the other day I'm going to use that. And then these were the ones that I cooked today. They got a little bit browned. I forgot they were in there. They cooked up pretty fast, but they'll still be good. So I'm going to add these together. And what I'm going to do is put these on the bottom. I always put the heavier items when I put the salads. I put the heavier item on the bottom, and then I will put the heavier greens, so then I will stack the kale, and then I'll put the lighter, the artisan lettuces on the top, just because it's the lightest thing. And that way it keeps everything fresh throughout the week. So there we go. The salads are all prepped and ready to go. Like I said, I kept them really simple this week. You can add whatever veggies that you want or you have on hand. I was just using what I had this week. Like I said, with the sweet potatoes, sometimes I will even do rice or quinoa as well. And always put that at the bottom, like I said, because you don't want to put those heavier items on the top because it'll wilt the greens. You know, so you can do several different varieties. Like I said, you can also check out my past videos, and I've shown other ways, you know, other variations of my salads that I do, that I prep. So you can also, because these bowls are so big and there is still space, you can also take like some small bowls. I eat at home. Even though I do work out of the house, I do eat my lunch at home. So I will have, I will just put the dressing on when I get home. But you can, if you're going to take this to go, what you can do is get some smaller little bowls. I did show some in my previous Dollar Tree haul that will fit perfectly in here, and you can portion out your salad dressing, and you can just put that little bowl right in here with the salad. Also, what I'll probably do is I may put like a little scoop of hummus as well. You can do that. You can throw a little bit of hummus in a little bowl and just stick it inside this large bowl, so you have everything that that you want. Or if you like anything like, you know, pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, things like that, like I said, you put them in those little bowls, and then just put them on this, you know, you can put them on the top of the salad here, and then that way when you're ready to eat, you can just dump them in, because you don't want to leave that on top of the greens because they may get a little soft. But like I said, so this is, you know, very simple, very easy to do. You know, just got to make sure you got to have enough refrigerator space for them all. But, you know, I like to do this every week so that way when I come in and I'm ready to eat, I just have it all set to go. So here is everything all set for the week. My smoothies for my breakfasts and my salads for lunch. And like I said, the bananas will last several weeks, so they will be ready to go whenever needed. So I really love doing this because it just makes it easy, you know, sets up your week so that way you're always having something ready to eat, and it also keeps you on track with eating healthy. And also it's very inexpensive as well. So I'm going to include the prices of everything so you can see, you know, how much like, you know, each breakfast and each lunch is as well. Because like I said, this is a great way to, like I said, to be prepared for the week, to eat healthy, and also, you know, also eating healthy on a budget, which is, you know, a big part of my channel as well. So I hope you enjoyed my food prep for this week. Stay tuned. I'm also working on a freezer meal food prep as well. I'm working on that for you guys, and I'm really glad to start doing these meal prep videos for you guys again. I know that they were popular when I started doing them a while back on my channel, so I just want to bring them back for you guys. And I will link all the old videos that I have done. Some of them, I know you guys know that I am now vegan, so some of them are not totally vegan. You know, but I know some of my viewers are vegan and some aren't. But so check those out. I will link those down below for you guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell button as always so you can get notified when I am uploading a video. And I will see you soon. Bye.